we'll encounter the legendary Komodo dragons on Rinca Island. During the jungle trek, you are not just gonna see the Komodo dragons, you can also see the Javan deer and wild pigs. We'll hike to the stunning viewpoints of Padar Island and dive into the crystal clear waters of the Pink Beach. Good morning. Today we've come to the Rinca Island to see some Komodo dragons. After that we'll go to Padar Island to see the Pink Beach and have amazing views. It's quite impressive watching the Komodo dragons. Some years ago one could see them in the documentals, and now they are there, just some steps ahead. During the jungle trek, you are not just gonna see the Komodo dragons, you can also see the Javan deer and wild pigs. One question, is this an enclosed space?
Yeah, this is closed, yeah.
Ah, okay.
This closed by fence or?
Fence, yeah.
No.
Ah, okay.
It's open here, no.
Really?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Get the digging again, put the egg inside, about 2.5 meters. After put the egg for the 21 or 38 total for the egg and close. After the egg clean, for the baby climb to trees for the hiding, because cannibal. Like Komodo, and it's only if you lucky, yeah. But sometimes they go on and it's not.
Okay.
Yeah, but for the medium or long trek, but it's the this already the government is the close for the trekking.
Okay.
But it's not because it's conservation of the Komodo National Park. And government is to give for the trekking only a
Little path, okay.
Yeah.
When we got the boat to come to the Komodo Islands, we talked with them and we decided that we wanted to go to Rinca Island. And that was because I saw some YouTube videos where they said that in the Komodo Island, most of the trek you couldn't see any Komodos. You just saw one in the village afterwards. Here, it's different. Here we are going to do a big trek and you'll see them at the start. And this looks much more natural than there. You'll see more animals, and as you can see in these videos, there aren't that many tourists as in the Komodo Islands, so that's something to take into account. Another Java deer there. What do you think, Marin?
It's injured.
They forgot to change his batteries. He's running low on power.
We are leaving the Rinca Island and we are going to the Pink Beach in Padar Island. Let's go. Now we are just arriving to Padar Island and here we'll do a hike up there in the mountains. Padar Island now is gonna cost 150 rupees. But keep in mind that that's not always the case. It depends on many things, I think. In the type of the boat you come with, it depends also on if you come on weekdays, weekends, so it might change. So you are supposed to come to Padar Island by the sunrise or before 10, because otherwise you might not be able to come. We had to pay extra to the guards because it's supposed to be closed, and one of them wanted them to come with us for 200,000 ideally. Now we've been traveling already for 2 weeks and we've already realized how this works. I mean, there's like official and there's something like semi-official, you know? You might have to pay something. It's just fun, you know? Then you can do your plan more or less as you want. Because now we are going up, there's no one. There's supposed to be no one. That should be much better. But at least the people that is up there, they should be going quite early because they entered before 10 and now they are supposed to be. We'll hike to the stunning viewpoints of Padar Island. Padar Island is probably the best spot for views in the whole Komodo Islands, in the whole Komodo National Park. I would say it's a must. If you want to come, you can either do it for the sunrise or before 10, or you can come after 3 o'clock in the afternoon. That would be the second option. But anyway, anytime you come, the views are gonna be very beautiful. If you want to fly your drone, you have to pay 1 million rupees and you have to do it 1 day before departing. In Labuan Bah wasn't able to do it because the day we knew we were gonna come was already too late and the place was closed. Plus, it was very expensive. I've asked here the guide if I could do it anyway. He told me that no, because if the police takes the drone, they'll make me pay a fine, and they'll take my drone and all the footage. So I don't want that. We are going to swim right now on the Pink Beach, which is the best beach we've been so far, with a lot of difference. You can see all the color. It's crystal clear. Not as crystal clear as the Papuma Beach, but almost. And look at that sand that has the pink color of the coral that you can find in this area. That's the reason why it's pink.
Look.
We just found our souvenir.
If you like this video and wanna watch more adventures, subscribe to the channel and click the like button. This way you'll also help us improve our reach and the quality of our videos. Come along with us to explore the hidden places of the world. See you in the next episode.